Welcome. In this video, I show you how I turned an Amazon cardboard box into a useful bin using brown craft paper. I measured and cut several 36-inch long sheets from this large roll of brown paper. I rolled each sheet up evenly and taped them on the ends to secure them. I flattened the rolls and marked each roll in 2-inch sections. Then I cut the rolls wherever I placed a mark. I then wrinkled the strips to make it easier to twist. I twisted each strip of paper to prepare them for 3-strand braiding. After braiding, I taped off the ends so that they wouldn't unravel. I prepared the box before adding the paper braids by cutting off the top flaps of the box and gluing one of the smaller flaps, cut to size, to fill in the inside bottom. I used masking tape to cover the uneven cut edges of the box. I then applied contact paper on the outside bottom of the box. To add the paper braids, I started at the top and a corner. I used hot glue to attach. When the braid ends, just glue another braid to that end and continue around the box. When I reached the beginning of the first row, I cut the braid and started a new row. I continued this step until I reached the bottom. I used this contact paper for the interior of my project. I measured and cut the contact paper to size. I used black electrical tape and a piece of sisal rope to finish the look. I might apply a coat of polyurethane to this box at a later time to protect it from constant handling. These next clips show the box styled as part of decor. I hope you found this video to be useful, and as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.